Hello ho ho, and yeah, welcome back to HTML with the next episode, episode 2. And yeah, we are looking at two new tags which are a little bit more complex than the tags we had before, which is the A tag for hyperlinks and the iframe. Last one is pretty cool because you can build a frame where you can view a website inside a website and so on. So yeah. Okay, as it's a simple check, we last time we wrote this little code in the first version. I will put the code in the pinned comment below, so you can just copy it. And if we view our code like this, we can see, yeah, the biggest headline the world had ever seen. And yeah, a lot of tabs. And yeah, the last time, the video from last time, we can close them. And now we wanna include a hyperlink. It's pretty simple. So what are we gonna do? We use this tag here, simple A. But yeah, if we write something like click me baby one more time, we don't have any source. We don't already know where it should be linked. So yeah, we can simply try it. It won't even, you can't even see it. So yeah, let's use the attribute called href. It's written href like this. Now in quotation marks, that is important. The link should be written in quotation mark. Well, let's say Wikipedia, because I guess I won't get any copyright issues if I make free advertisement for Wikipedia. So yeah, let's use Wikipedia. Save again with Ctrl+S and with Ctrl+Shift+W we can see it. Okay, VS Code has problems rewriting the existing file, so I simply created a new one and now we can see the difference. Okay, now we have the hyperlink here. If we click on it, we are at Wikipedia. Perfect. And yeah, sometimes VS Code does strange things because VS Code simply hates you. There is no reason. So yeah, but now we head to the cool one, which is the iframe. And there we have something like source equals. Yeah, again, let's use Wikipedia. And yeah, save and let's see what happens. Yeah, we simply have Wikipedia and we can do anything because yeah, Wikipedia is kind of linked here. Still the hyperlink exists. Yeah, and sometimes there are websites that aren't as trustworthy as Wikipedia. In this case, there are many inputs regarding the sandbox. So HTML5 has a sandbox attribute. You can do a lot of stuff there, allowing or disallowing, for example, different scripts, API, anything possible. I can make a whole video around that because I have to read it again after so many times. But yeah, there's many things are possible. And yeah, to make the site more easy to read, we can alter the height and the width. Now again, let's save it. And let's view it. Here we go. Now here's Wikipedia, as we love it. Okay. Yeah, really short video today, but I don't want to. I want to keep it as short as possible until we come to the more interesting parts. And this is just the overview. There are many tags I won't cover, but this is nothing that relevant. You can simply read about it. Okay. With that in mind, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you hopefully in the next part. Bye bye. Hello ho ho, and yeah, welcome back to another part of the HTML series. Yeah, today we are looking at two new different tags, and I will start from the start. I will start from the start.